Ubi breaking Kwamono. Daniel Bwala si na a bishop must apologize to Tinubu. Half on a church finish. Faith on there. Half on a church finish. I would not blame them because no bona high wero ejiro fake bishop, fake priest, fake pastors. We better no chichen. Who are you, Daniel Bwala? Ibebe Asika, a bishop. That one bishop must apologize to Tinubu. Who are you? Obulu imam, bolondi Boko Haram, bolondo ozo kulukwa. Ya seka a Muslim clerk. Ibebe apologize to Tinubu. Or because of the lack of respect about Christianity, me unu juyane ekudi okwa. Amala kubukwa aga Daniel Bwala. Daniel Bwala isi mmiri n'ọkụ ka ite iji si ya hie gbanyụ ọkụ isi na. Ohe sọsọ ya sị ka m gwa gị amaala ka ogbukwa agụ. Sọsọ ya bụ ihe m chọrọ ikwu na end of this video.
The bishops must apologize to Tinubu, Daniel Bwala. Before I delve into this matter, I just want to know where Bwala is from. Bwala is from Gwaski in Borno State. Gwaski is in Hawu local government area of Borno State. He was actually born in Bama, but he hails from Gwaski and he grew up in Meduguri and all that. So you see, these areas I mentioned now are ravaged areas. They have been destroyed by Boko Haram. Those areas are the areas occupied by Boko Haram. Those are the areas Daniel Bwala cannot go to. His village, he cannot go to his village now. He lives in Abuja, and for years now I've never been to his village. Now, the bishops don't have children. They are not married. These guys are fighting for people, the Nigerian citizens. They are not the people that will go to Tinubu and start singing on your mandate. Those are not the bishops. The bishops, you know, they owe you no apology. They tell you the way things are. If you like, take it. If you don't like, forget about it. You can't do them anything. The bishops are not going to apologize, Daniel Bwala. Before you sing on your mandate for Tinubu, I will also urge you to tell Tinubu to fix your states. I will also tell you to meet Bayo Onanuga and all the rest of them, take them to Benue State and allow them to stay there 24 hours. All of you should go to Benue State. I'm in your village, Gwaski. Stay there for 24 hours. If you can stay there for 24 hours, believe me, the bishops will apologize. All of you, from Onanuga to Tinubu to you, and every Tinubu supporter should go to your own village, Daniel Bwala, and stay for 24 hours and see how it will look like. Then you can come to tell the bishops to apologize. They will apologize if you do that. But if you cannot stay in your village for 2 hours, Tinubu cannot even visit a community wiped out by Boko Haram and ISWAP and all the rest of them. Cannot visit the village. Even at the airport, he couldn't stay up to 10 minutes. And people are telling you you need to improve on the way things are being done. And all you people are everywhere on the media saying that the bishops should come and apologize. Who are you? When are you guys going to realize what this guy is doing to Nigerians? When are you guys going to start telling him the truth? When exactly are you going to start telling him the truth? You don't allow him to watch TV. You don't allow him to answer calls. You don't allow him to see what is going on in Nigeria. You tell him what he wants to hear. You are doing well. You are doing well. That's all you guys tell him. And he believes all of you. I'm not trying to defend Tinubu because you have rights to tell them to give you your phone. You have right to tell them to put television for you so that you see the cries of 250 or 30 million Nigerians suffering, dying, the killings, the maiming, the hunger, the starvation is everywhere. And all you do is to defend INEC. Why are you defending INEC? Are you an INEC staff? Why? If not that the election we are planning to hold, that you and your people have tried to rig the election, unfortunately for you guys, it's not going to be easy. Because Nigerians are ready for you now. You guys are so old-fashioned that you don't know what is obtainable in the world today. You guys are so archaic that you are not thinking rightly anymore. All you believe in your life is maltreating people, propaganda, lies, division, tribalism. Everything about you is false, Mr. Tinubu. Everything about you. Everything about you. Nothing, in fact, Sheyi and his siblings should be ashamed of you. They should be ashamed of you as a father. Even the so-called certificate they release, Sheyi should be ashamed. I mean, every of your children, Mr. Tinubu, should be ashamed of you. They should, because you are not qualified to be called a father. Neither are you qualified to be the president of Nigeria. I don't know why and how we got here as a nation. I don't know when Nigeria will say that mediocres will never rule us. I don't know when we will wake up and say idiots should not be in power anymore. But as we're even talking, people are taking bags of rice and some cans of vegetable oil to go and eat. After that, and so what? I saw a tweet, very fine tweet somebody put out there. Say, I hope you guys will eat this bag of rice for 4 years, because you don't know what you're doing to yourselves. Before you open your mouth to say, they say Nel Fund. Before you open your mouth to talk, they say Coastal Road. Before, all those things were done fraudulently. Everything you guys are using to campaign are done fraudulently. Who bidded for the Coastal Road? Who approved it? And how? The Nile Fund, how did it come about? And how much are you giving people that they will still pay back even when you said that there will be no interest? 40,000 naira. Is that what you assembled some idiots in one room and they were singing your praise? Is that an achievement? People are talking about long-term plans that will make the lives of Nigerians better, and all you do is give them peanuts in the name of Neo Fund, and you come about to campaign with that. All you do is your fraudulent coastal road that have been named after you. All you do is to defraud Nigerians and use the police and army to perpetrate evil in Nigeria. Now the army is gearing up now. They are getting ready to improve on their last effort. Yeah, the last effort, the last time they allowed Nigerians to vote. This time they are not going to allow Nigerians because you've told them to use their guns and the zombies are ready to do your bidding. They are ready to do your bidding, and sometimes when I ask questions, I don't get it. How somebody like you will be manipulating judges. Somebody like you will be manipulating soldiers. Somebody like you will be telling professor of law what to do. And all of them are just nodding their head. Somebody like you will be manipulating myriads of lawyers in the National Assembly and the House of Reps. I'm not talking about other people that have degrees. I know many lawyers that are in the National Assembly. And yet, they allow you to manipulate them. I don't know what you are using against them that made Nigerians to be singing your praises. Because sometimes when I sit down to look at who you are, since 1999 till date, I can't really pinpoint one thing that is good about you, Tinubu. Nothing at all. The Daniel Bwala now that is singing your praise, Daniel Bwala is a lawyer. A big time lawyer at that. I don't know what you are using against them. Whatever thing you are using against them must be very, very tough. Because no right-thinking human being will support APC and Tinubu as far as Nigeria is concerned. So, Daniel Bwala, I would like you to tell Tinubu to go and fix your village first before the bishops will come and apologize. And I want to put it here for you. Listen and listen very well. The bishops are not your everyday people. The royal fathers that went to him and were there singing his mandate, telling him all manner of things, and he was there still lying to them. Still lying to the royal father, telling them to go and tell your governors, the governors that normally stay with them every month, the governors he cannot tell to stop building flyovers, the governors he will tell, do this and do this and do that, but he will not tell them. Now he's exonerating himself and putting the whole blames on the governors. And you guys cannot tell him that, listen, you are the president. You don't send us message. We are royal fathers. You don't tell us what to do. You take orders from us as royal fathers. We don't take orders from you. But who amongst them will say that? That person's salary will be stopped in the next 24 hours and they will do nothing. So they don't have the guts. The royal fathers are visited. They don't have the guts to tell him anything. All they were there is nodding their heads and telling me, yeah, we'll take your message back to our people. As if they are going to do anything. As if they are going to talk to the governor. The governor that is paying you salary. No, try him now. He will pause your salary and that will be the end. That is the tyranny P2B is telling you guys that is going to stop. You guys should have freedom. Freedom of association. Freedom of speech. Not being in prison believing that you are supporting your tribesman. I don't know what is going on with our elders now. I don't know. May God help us. May God help Nigerians, honestly. If we get it wrong in 2027, this country will stop existing. It may be there as Nigeria, but believe me, nothing will come out of this system. Because this system of things is not going to work. It's not. My name is Hyacinth and this is the Hyacinth Network. Thank you for listening.